Creativity actually, it's very close to my heart, as I find myself very creative and I love creativity all around. So whenever I'm browsing through social media also, I keep hunting for some creative ideas. My focus today would be to share those pearls which I have collected from social media with the audience, with my staff as well as others, so that they can maybe bit motivated to use their mind also in a creative way to get the better of the situation which we are in. Creativity is the elixir of life is our topic for today. So for me, what is creativity? If you can think outside the box, that is what I called creativity. If everybody thinks same, acts same, then every outcome will also be same. It cannot be called a creative outcome. So to be creative, definitely we must have a thinking which has to be out of the box thinking. When we belong to teaching sector, the education fraternity, here we give a lot of importance to this pyramid by Benjamin Bloom. In 1956, he suggested the 6 different levels of knowledge which a student can acquire, and based upon which a student can find a very good career maybe later on. The bottom was knowledge, which we all keep giving to the students. Then comprehension, application, analysis. He kept synthesis at the second top level and evaluation at topmost. Later on, it was revised in 2001 and creativity came at top. See, knowledge can be acquired these days when the internet facility is so readily available and so cheap and is accessible by almost everybody. Getting the facts and figures is not a tough job these days. Anybody can go to Google and find out any facts and figures and details. So knowledge, acquiring knowledge is not a very big deal. The whole purpose of education is to create creators. But what I find that somehow in Indian education system, we were not doing all that. Why does it happen? For obvious reason. This is a very beautiful picture I got from internet. It says, how was your first day of kindergarten? And the child says, can't talk. I'm already lagging behind in my test scores. The very first day of kindergarten, and he has been burdened so much, the child says, I'm lagging behind in my test scores. This is another picture which makes me feel very bad about our education system. The child goes to school. We keep showing in the knowledge. We keep putting in, and ultimately he vomits out on the answer sheet in the exams and becomes a topper, and everybody claps for him. Very good, wonderful, well done, purpose solved. You have a lot of knowledge, mate, now. But this is what we do with the creative students. This is a classroom. Every student is sitting in a square shape kind of thing. The parents are also having the similar shape, and they are sending the child to school who is a fresh log of wood, can be carved out in any shape, but the teacher standing over there in the shape of X is ready to carve that student also in the same square rectangle shape. Here is one child who is creative. Among so many others who are like candles, he is like a bulb. His creativity can bring change in society, but the poor fellow is going to be hanged because he is thinking differently, thinking creatively. So there is no scope. This reminds me of a chapter in English book of, I think, 11th standard, Albert Einstein in school. He was a great scientist, but he was never regarded for his out of the box thinking by his history teacher, because history teacher wanted him to learn facts and figures, which he never did. In fact, his mathematics teacher could find out his great talent, and then he only suggested to him that I have taught you what I could, and you have learned a bit more than what I can teach you. So it's better that you go to a college for higher education. So this is what we don't do. What we do is this: we put the children into education system from one side, extract all the creativity and intelligence out of their body, mind, and soul, and tell them, teach them, make them do what we feel that they should be doing. Ultimately, they come out, as people say, the graduates of Macaulay's education, but devoid of any creativity and intelligence. So, as I said, I find myself very creative. I'm going to share only a few examples. The kind of thing I introduced in my school, these are human chain activities. When I joined in, I had certain ideas in my mind. I implemented those ideas, and these were appreciated by people a lot. Over the period of years, we celebrate some important days, and I give them this unique signature style of Darshan Academy Dasua. These are all human chain activities. The students are sitting into the shapes. It's the shape of a girl child. The previous one was I love you, Ma. We love our Punjabi language being in Punjab. So we have given the wishes of Lohri, very important festival in Punjab, in this Punjabi font. This one is very close to my heart. These days, people are talking about Rafale and aeroplanes a lot. So we celebrated Indian Air Force Day by making a fighter plane with help of students. So these days, like in daily life, I was telling you that I'm going to share some of the pearls which I found. See how nicely, when we hold the mobile, if we want to lie down, it becomes a problem how to watch a movie if we are seeing Netflix or Amazon or anything. Such a wonderful idea this person has found. He's lying down his couch, relaxed, and watching the movie also without even using his hands, without causing any kind of strain on his eyes. These little kids, the other day I was talking about creativity is like happiness. Happiness is the other name of creativity. If you are creative, you will be happy. If you're happy, you can think creatively. So people, these poor kids, they don't have the bathtub facility, so they change the tractor tire into the bathtub. So it doesn't need money. It needs happiness. These poor little kids, they did not have the money to buy carom maybe. So they managed with the bottle corks, and they created their own carom board in the ground itself. So no spending, just creative idea and full of fun and enjoyment. This also I found recently. No, there is no prize for guessing what is it. It clearly shows the shape of a bicycle, but by using the utensils from kitchen itself. How creative it is. Yeah, this is very unique. I found it on internet. I couldn't resist myself from sharing. There are people who have a very big mustache, and they find it tough to drink something, tea or coffee or anything. For them, a creative mind has created a cup which will give you the taste of your sweet coffee, but will not affect your mustache. This is how there are thousands of ideas across internet about creativity in schools. I found these kind of alphabet letters very creative, very interesting. I'm not going to share all. I've just chosen one example. This is D, and see how many things have been shared while teaching just one letter and its formation. D for drum, D for dice, D for drop, D for dolphin, D for duck. And there's a doggy peeping through the door. So just by teaching one letter, the teacher is teaching so many things visually to the students. So hats off to the creativity. This is also very creative. You are opening the door at different angles. You have all the protector and angles mentioned over there. And then you teach side by side. During COVID times, the teachers have proved to be very creative, more creative. They did not have the resources at home. They could not buy from market. So they managed somehow look at the drum and the board kept over the drum and pile of table and stools and books, and then a mobile is kept over there to teach through maybe Zoom app. This gentleman could not find any other resources. He must have found this in scrap and used as the mobile stand. He could not buy because of non-availability at this time. Same here, a gentleman using the pipe as a mobile stand. Here he has kept it on the desk and adjusted to the height which was required, and they're using it. This photo is very famous. The lady managing a stand out of chair and hanger and this cloth material and wall ceiling, and yet very passionately teaching the children. This some teacher, she prepared the model of the jaw and teeth with help of the wheat flour. This is the actual thing, and she did it with the help of wheat flour to give a feeling to the students. So this is how creative the teachers are. Students are no less. They're also very creative. They find the way in which they can make the studies interesting. So instead of doing it on the desk, why not lie down and do it the other way around? This is the height of creativity students have shown during teaching sessions. One person named his name as reconnecting only, so that it keeps reflecting reconnecting, and teachers feels that he is reconnecting, but he is not on the live session. COVID time has taught people to be more creative. So they came up with some ideas to maintain social distancing like this. And otherwise also, this kind of ideas where this milk seller came up with very unique thing, selling his milk, but maintaining the social distance. This is very good. I find it very interesting. You don't have to remove your mask to drink anything. You have the inlet over there. And not only this, Corona has taught people to be creative in terms of earning also. One person came up with this thing. I found there is no harm. Could be if water can be sold for drinking purpose, this is how they could use it for earning income during creative times also. So these were the things which I had in my kitty to show you people.